I just wanted to share with you this trade because it's amazing. You will be amazed at the end. This trade looks smooth on the surface, but what you don't see are the hours of testing, refining, and building the discipline to stick to the strategy. Yeah, the market rewards clarity, and my strategy strives on being straight to the point. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.